Dasman Diabetes Institute is offering guidance and strategies for individuals with diabetes who are fasting during Ramadan.
During the holy month of Ramadan, fasting could pose a significant challenge for people with diabetes. More details with Hadil Fahad.
Fasting during the holy month of Ramadan requires careful planning and special care for diabetic patients to ensure their safety and comfort during the fasting period. They should coordinate with their healthcare team and benefit from tailored medical guidance to regulate blood sugar levels and adjust medication and meal schedules appropriately.
Let's break it down into three parts. The first part will talk about food. Specifically, carbohydrates need to be controlled during Ramadan. Sources of carbohydrate include rice, bread, potatoes, dairy products. All these foods need to be controlled, not to be limited or not eaten, but to be controlled. Second, we will focus on water. Water intake is really important for a person with diabetes to avoid dehydration. So focus to drink about 6 to 8 cups, not during just futur and suhoor, but spread it out through the whole time in which you are allowed to eat. Lastly, exercise. For a person with diabetes, it's always better to start exercising after futur because there is less likely to have hypoglycemia during that time. It's better not to exercise while you are fasting.
Many questions arise regarding fasting for individuals with chronic conditions, especially diabetes, as not every diabetic patient is able to fast during the month of Ramadan.
Well, for a person with diabetes, it's always good to visit his doctor before the start of Ramadan because there are some people with diabetes are allowed to fast and some people with diabetes are not allowed to fast because they don't have stable blood glucose readings. So it's always best to visit the doctor before Ramadan.
Dasman Diabetes Institute seeks to improve awareness, knowledge, and management of diabetes during Ramadan and to provide real-world recommendations to health professionals and people with diabetes who choose to fast. Hadil Fahad for the English News.